Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Webull buy and sell signal indicators, um, buy and sell signals on Webull. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so it's common knowledge that the foreign exchange market with a daily volume turnover of 6.6 trillion packs a wide variety of concepts and technicalities that traders are required to understand. So why do you need trading forex signals? It's easy and time efficient trading. You can mitigate risks and yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is how you can use buy and sell signals on Webull. With these signals you can do easy and time efficient trading. You can mitigate risks and you get forex education and support. So first you have to find the best forex signals. So you should do careful research of the style and strategy to use to generate them. There are two major approaches for analyzing market conditions. So you can read all of this. Just type on Google how to use forex signals Webull and it will give you this article. It's an official article. I suggest you guys read this. Also keep in mind there's a difference between manual forex signals and automated forex signals. So yeah guys, there are pros and cons to both. So just read this article truly and you should find how to and you should learn how to use buy and sell signals on Webull. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.